find it hard. Yeah, to leave this town. And those late night demons running you down. So pack your bags for sanity's sake, and play all those songs I never could hate. It's your smiles that have passed us by. It's his judgment that you hold so high. It's his smiles that have passed us by. From this ground we rise. And can't run and hide. King Street soon, and I'm gonna wish you luck. Lemon garden go loose. I'm gonna head back south to my island home. Are calling. Hey, bud, it's time for the show. It's his smiles that have passed us by. It's his judgment that you hold so high. It's his smiles that have passed us by. From this ground you rise. Can't run and hide. Thanks, y'all. That's a tune called Run and Hide. That's another one I did with my band, Cranford Hollow. I wanted to play a cover song. I was watching some other episodes, and people were playing all kinds of different stuff. But I wanted to play a song I've been playing a lot recently by a dude named Ron Adams, and it's called "Oh My Sweet Carolina," which seems appropriate since that's where I live now. I live in South Carolina, and I was gonna play this tune just as kind of like a tribute to where my new home is, but Eau Claire was my home growing up. And I really like this song. It's a super pretty song. And I'm old, so I have to use lyrics. I'm not sharp like you young folks here. Passed up the station for the bus, trying to find me something, but I wasn't sure just what. Then I ended up with pockets full of dust. up insane. But about soon learned to dance. I was spending money like the way it likes to rain. Then I ended up with pockets full of cane. Oh my sweet Carolina, what compels me to go? Oh my sweet disposition, may you one day carry me home. I've never been to Vegas, but a gamble of my life. Building new spring boats erased from sewer mains. Trying to find me something, but I wasn't sure just what. Then I ended up with pockets full of cane. Oh my sweet Carolina, what compels me to go? Oh my sweet disposition, may you one day carry me home. Up here in the city, feels like things are closing in. The sunset's just my light bulb burning out. I miss Wisconsin, and I miss my family, and all the sweetest winds that blow across the south. Oh my sweet Carolina, what compels me to go? Oh my sweet disposition, may you one day carry me home. May you one day carry me home. May you one day carry me home. Muchas gracias. Thank you guys so much for listening. Just shut it all down? We're good?
I really love the sound that you've been able to like really hone and be able to bring with us tonight. So thank you a lot for that.
For having me and for everybody watching and stuff at home.
Yeah. With that, this has been another episode of Sounds of the Valley. This has been John Cranford. John, would you like to plug any like upcoming events or like albums, EPs, anything else?
Yeah, I think like the biggest thing is keeping up with me. I'm going in the studio this week actually up here and working on a new record with one of my projects from Wisconsin called Highway 40. We have an EP and 2 singles out right now on iTunes, and then my other band, Cranford Hollow, should be in the studio in February, so just keep on the lookout. But there's a lot of music out there that from other projects I've been in that's available, and my band's got like 6 records up on iTunes, Spotify, whatever you guys do. So just check me out, and hopefully I'll be back sometime to play a show here.
Awesome. Well, with that, you can find Sounds of the Valley and the rest of our content on our streaming service and YouTube. Our streaming service is mytv10.uwec.edu. I will see you all next time. Thank you and good night, everyone.